Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com, and in this quick video, I'm going to be continuing my series where I review and evaluate some of the most popular and best free AI tools that you guys can use and hopefully provide some value for you. Now, there's no shortage of free AI tools out there in the market today, but most of them suck. Most of them are just white label OpenAI, and you're better off using ChatGPT versus using half of the free AI tools that are out there anyways. So in this video, what I want to do is actually cover a free AI Chrome extension called AIPRM. Now, the official website is AIPRM.com, and they do have premium plans. So if you click pricing, they do have premium plans starting at $10 a month. They have, some of these more sophisticated ones. I would recommend, if you use this a lot, maybe the $10 a month plan, but I would not recommend going much further than that, as there are a ton of great features here that you can use for free. Now, what this is again, it's a free Chrome extension. So all you have to do is install the Google Chrome browser, and then you can add it to Chrome, and then it populates inside your ChatGPT account. I'm going to show you how to set it up and also show you some of my favorite things about AIPRM. So as you'll see here on their website, this is what the interface looks like. And I'm going to show you this really quickly in real time. But what this is it's pre-configured prompts inside ChatGPT. So as you'll see here, there's a mid-journey prompt generator. There's SEO optimized article prompt generators. There's a Google My Business prompt generator, which is one I've frequently used in the past. Keyword strategy, YouTube script creator. There's hundreds of these free AI prompt generators that are all configured into ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and install this, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So go to this Chrome extension page here, and I'll leave a link to this and also the AIPRM website in the video description below. And I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Chrome. And I'm going to click Add Extension. And then on the top here, it says AIPRM has been added to Chrome. Enable AIPRM for ChatGPT.com. Click Allow. Click OK. And now what it's going to do is open ChatGPT in another browser. And so here it says it's giving you all sorts of instructions. I don't need any of this. Click X. This is what the AIPRM interface looks like in real time. Now, I am a member of ChatGPT Plus, but you can use this even on the free version of ChatGPT. So this is pretty cool. What you can do here is looks like 4,874 prompts that you can access for free using AIPRM. And the other thing that I like here is it shows you how many people have used these prompts. So this one here has 13 million views, has 10 million use cases, 13 million views, and you can like or dislike as well, 870 likes. So what you can do is actually you can filter by topic. So if there's something that I want with marketing, SEO, it filters the prompts based on the category of the topic that you're looking for. Same with activity. You can do types of activity, ideation. You can also sort by top vote. So if I sort by top usage, I'm going to do all, and then these are the top used prompts from AIPRM. So this was what it was at previously. Model, you can also do the different models here if you want as well. And it has here, you can add a list. There's, something with AIPRM Premium. Looks like you can't add to favorites, I don't think. But anyways, guys, I'm going to show you a couple of these, and let's see what these look like in real time. So unfortunately, some of these are only powered by GPT 3.5 still, and we don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just GPT-4, and then we're going to do, let's do one of these down here. Code generator, no. Python Pro, no. Let's do SEO and see if there's any good SEO ones here. So here's one here, fully optimized article including FAQs. Let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click this, and then it's asking me for a keyword or a title. So in this example, I am going to do, let's do ChatGPT versus Claude. That's going to be my main keyword. And based on this keyword, it's now going to create this fully SEO optimized blog post using the pre-configured prompt from AIPRM. As you'll see here, it's going very quickly. And again, I would never copy and paste this output into your website. As we all know, Google is cracking down on AI content with its latest algorithm updates. I would never recommend doing that, but this tool is excellent for ideation. Maybe there's a couple parts in here that you want to use in a blog post if you're writing ChatGPT versus Claude. Just a really good free option here, guys, honestly. Versus before, you'd have to go in and write something like, Write me an SEO optimized blog post. Make sure you use a serious writing tone. Use headings, use this, use that. Where now it already has this configured prompt. And I believe you can actually access these prompts. Yeah, here is the prompt. It looks like achieve top SEO rankings with meticulously crafted article. So here is the prompt here. You can copy and paste this in a new ChatGPT window if you want. So that's kind of cool that it gives you the prompts here. So just a really cool option here as well. I know one that I use a lot is actually for Google My Business. So if you can click the search bar here, I'm going to type in Google My, or it looks like it might be under GMB. Let's do GMB. Nope. So it might be, unfortunately, with 3.5. So if I click GMB, here it is right here. Optimize your Google My Business profile. I used to use this a lot when I was optimizing and setting up Google My Business profiles for different clients. So if you click this, on the bottom here, it's going to ask you, say the name of the business, where it's located, what it sells, and anything else. So I'm actually going to use a buddy of mine owns a business locally. I'm going to use this in this example. I'm going to say Fresh Fit Meals is located in Des Moines, Iowa, and offers meal prep services. Let's just make it easy. And so based on this short little description, what this is going to do is it's going to generate titles. It's going to generate best GMB categories. So it's giving me categories that I can copy and paste into my Google My Business. It's going to give me target keywords. It's going to give me a short business description and a long business description. So again, you can literally copy and paste this not only onto your Google My Business profile, but if you have social media profiles, if you have local citation profiles, you can reuse these and repurpose them for that specific use case. This is also very beneficial. It gives you services that you should add to your Google My Business. So based on this one little prompt here, this one sentence, it spat out all these different ideas. Now, again, you don't have to use any of this, but at the very least, this is giving you some ideation on what you should be doing inside your Google My Business profile. So oftentimes I'll even take this a step further and I'll say, thanks, can you generate 1 to 2 sentence, let's do SEO optimized descriptions for each service. As that is a part of Google My Business, is they give you the ability to generate short sentences for each service. So now what it's doing is it's giving me the services that it laid out earlier here in this previous response, and it's now generating what I called SEO optimized descriptions based on these different services. So voila, I mean, in the matter of literally 2 minutes, you now have all this data and information that you can use to get going with your Google My Business profile. So that's AIPRM in a nutshell. Guys, I hope you found this video useful, and let me know if you've ever used AIPRM in the past. I want to know your thoughts on it as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel at AI Insider Tips, I would truly appreciate that, as I spend hours putting together these tutorials for you guys on ChatGPT, free AI tools, AI reviews, AI news, and just trying to keep you informed in the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. The final thing I want to mention here is that you haven't gotten my free guide on the best AI side hustles. You can find a link for this in the description or pinned comment below. And in this free guide, I show you how I've generated more than $5,000 a month in passive income online using some of the AI side hustles that I outlined. So again, guys, this is Ryan. I hope you all have a great day and have fun with using AIPRM.